Alright, once again mga kasikat, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. And welcome to Sequoia Hotel here in Metro Manila, Philippines. And this is the Manila Stylist Philippines Kids and Teens Global Pageant Season 2. Tama ba ako? Or Kids and Teens Global Pageant Philippines Season 2. My name is DJ Alvin from EuroTV Philippines Entertainment. And for today's video, meron tayong mga kausap ngayon from Cebu City, the candidates for pageant of kids and teens. So, hi, Cebu City. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hello everyone, I am Mary Alina Ciara Zabate. I am 14 years old. I am proudly representing Cebu City South. My advocacy focuses on supporting and raising awareness for persons with disability. And throughout this pageant, I hope I can inspire other young ladies and to be confident, kind, and to use their voice for something meaningful. And my motto in life is believe in yourself because confidence is the step to success.
Alright, so if I don't mind, how old are you po?
I am 14 years
14
old.
years old. And you are a senior high school or
I'm still a grade 8 student.
grade student. So, ano naman ang pangarap mo paglaki mo?
I want to be a doctor someday
Why?
because I want to help other people. It's been always my dream. Ever since I was a kid, it never changed.
Yeah. So anyway, bago tayo magpatuloy, so do you have somebody to shout out muna? Go?
Shout out to my family and friends who has their never-ending support, and thank you for believing in me and coming with me through my journey in my pageant as national. I am here now in national.
Alright, so how did you prepare this pageant?
Actually, I prepared. It was really nerve-wracking because this was really my first time, and although I did my best, I did my preparation for my walk and my costumes. I do my passerella walk into a next level so I can perform well here and make my Filipino proud.
So what is your feelings right now? So how do you feel?
I am really nervous.
Oh,
But
hindi naman mawala sa atin yung nervous eh. Pero at least, siyempre, ginusto natin to. Lalaban tayo hanggang kaya natin. So pagdating naman ng stage, baka mawala yung nervous natin. So ganun talaga sa laban, hindi mawala-wala yung nervous na yan. So kung sa palagay mo, kinakabahan ka, ano yung unang ginagawa ng isang kandidata para mawala yung kaba?
actually, I just pray to God and guide for His guidance and call my mom to comfort me with her words, and it makes my confidence more. Cannot be like I won't be nervous anymore. But right now I'm really nervous, but I'm trying my best. Right?
Yes.
Because
Eto-
if I was nervous, I'm gonna be blacked out.
Oh yeah, really. Yeah, totoo yan. Kaya din ako minsan pag ako kinakabahan. So matanong lang kita this is your first time to compete national pageant or many na ang nasalihan mong national competition
This was my first time national.
for
pageant.
national and the rest is regional sa mga
Actually,
school ganyan.
I joined the Cebu Ultimate Platform Superstar. That was my first big pageant. But from other pageants, it's just school. But I'm not really that at school. I'm not really that confident because I see a lot of good individuals also. But as soon as I joined a big pageant, I become my confidence more boosted more.
So the rest is for regional competitions and this is national competition. So magkaiba kasi yung regional and national. Pag sinabing national talagang focus ka dito. Kasi ang alam ko, lahat ng mga grand winners dito is moving on from international. Diba?
Yeah,
Are you ready to go there?
I am so ready.
Sa tingin mo ba, ikaw ang uuwi ng corona?
I believe I should win because I will use my platform to raise awareness for my advocacy as the PWD. And for me, winning is not just worrying about the crown. It's having the heart to inspire others to build more confidence.
So, are you ready for my 2 to 3 questions?
I'm ready.
Okay, so Miss Mary, right?
Yes.
Mary. So, as a candidate, how would you use your title to benefit others if you win?
I would use my platform platform to inspire others, young individuals who doesn't have the confidence to join in this kind of big pageants. And I will inspire them to use their voice for something meaningful. And that's all.
Alright. So, may second questions. So, di ba, sa panahon ngayon, ang dami nating pinoproblema sa mundo sa Pilipinas, like climate change, and of course, syempre, government issues, and government corruptions. So, para sa'yo, what is the most significant issue your generation faces right now?
Right now, Cebuano right now just experienced earthquake recently. But you see a lot of Cebuanos come together, helping one another, and the united. This we call that. But being being a one and being a Cebuano is something I'm really proud of.
Yeah. Pero ang hirap kasi isipin kapag ganung bagay, kapag tayo ay nasa lanta na lindol, talagang hindi natin alam kung saan tayo patutungo. Pero with the help of our Almighty God, syempre, ligtas pa rin tayo. Okay, may last questions, Ate Mary. So, who is the most influential person in your life?
Actually, my mom. She inspired me to join pageants, to advocate for the PWD, because I have an uncle who is a part of PWD member, and she said to me that beauty also comes with a kind heart and a purpose, and she is an influential for me because she always inspired me to join pageants, comfort me with her words, and I'm really grateful for having my mom.
So, where is your mom right now?
She's right over there.
Okay, so do you have any message for her?
Thank you so much, Mom, for your number and the support. I hope you will support me through all my pageants also. And can I give a shout out to my dad?
Yeah, sure.
And to my dad who let me experience this national pageant and supporting me and trying his best to provide. Thank you so much.
Maraming thank you, Miss Mary. So, do you have any social media account to promote para alam nila kung saan kanila ipa-follow?
You can follow me on Instagram, Max, and then it's MACVZ. Then Facebook, it's Mary Zabate.
So, last questions. So, message to your supporters and fans na walang sawang sumusuporta sa'yo.
Thank you. Right now, I've received a lot of messages of saying you guys good luck. It's really a meaningful word for me because I believe in myself that a lot of people were supporting me right now. I will try my best to bring home a crown in Cebu. Thank you.
Sobrang thank you, Miss Cebu. Mary, maraming salamat.
Thank you so much.
And good luck. Nilalamig ka na naman. And sana mawim yung corona ngayong araw.
Thank you so much.